What's up, guys? This is Matt with Blowout TV, live from the Fantastic Store in Chantilly, Virginia. I've got Josh C. here with a 5-box break. I'll do 2012 Bowman Jumbo first. Got 2 boxes of that. And the second part of the video, we'll do 2 boxes of Gold Standard basketball and 1 box of Panini Preferred basketball. All right, here we go, Josh. Good luck, buddy. See if we can get you here. If he hits a super refractor, I get a steak lunch. It's already promised. All right, Jumbo. Let's do it. Guys, if you have not subbed yet, please be sure to subscribe to the Blowout TV page here on Blowout TV. We're giving away a free box of 2012 Gypsy Queen Baseball to one of our first 500 subscribers. We're right at 400 right now. Absolutely free to enter the contest. Just shoot over the sub, and one lucky participant will walk away with a free box of cards. Not too bad.
Super Frank's gonna go crazy.
He's gonna go ballistic if I do. And say, how is that possible? Can you meet Adam?
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Ken's a golf pro over at South Riding.
Oh, you were in here. I think you were in here the other day. With another guy? Were you in here another day? Yeah. You got the hockey?
Yeah.
Daryl, what's up, buddy?
How's the course today?
Really well.
Yeah. So we got some rain yesterday. A little bit.
Good. We're just doing what I do. Opening Bowman Jumbo. Trying to pull super refractors. All right, Josh. Here we go, buddy. Box 1. We've got Yair Molina, orange. And base. Garrett Cole. Blue of Scott Rowland, 500. Base. Base. Man, not the base. Here we go. Autograph, Nick Delmonico, Baltimore Orioles.
Is there any Bundys in there?
No.
No?
Not in this product. Victor Martinez, blue, 500. And base.
He's averaging over 13 Ks per 9 innings.
He's ridiculous. Devin Mesorasko, 500. Refractor autograph. Dylan Bundy. He's a beast. Bryce Harper.
He pitched last night, 5 innings, 1 run, 0 earned runs, only 3 Ks. Even after 3 Ks in that game, he's still averaging over 13 Ks per night.
Who we have here? Mario Richard?
Yeah.
500.
Yeah.
Blue refractor of Greg Bird, 250. Base.
Yeah.
We got blue coming up here. Ooh, I think you're going to like this one. Blue refractor autograph, Josh Bell. I know you like that. Boom. Base. And last stack. Box 1. Refractor, Danny Holtzen. Nice. 500. 408 to 500. And base. Alright. And stack 2. Another Garrett Cole. Autograph. Oh my God, Yu Darvish. There he is.
Auto.
Boom. Yu Darvish. Got him. Yu Darvish.
Please tell me that was Frank's.
Not numbered.
No, but Frank.
Yu Darvish.
See it right there. It's a base. It's not an auto.
Is this Josh or is this Frank?
Is it base?
I'm not sure.
This is Josh's.
Josh's.
Blue of Jose Valverde. Bryce Harper.
Back of the authentic
Base.
when he first brought
SB
it.
game use.
Or game used. That Volcoon's selling for like $60.
Greg Bird refractor.
50 to
Garrett
60
Cole Bowman's best.
You want to get rid of it fast
Oh,
because
it's going on.
well, he said today he's not coming back.
Tyler Alston, paper blue.
It's not.
I mean, do I really even have to keep going after the
Sounds
Darvish?
like I'm
Yeah, he said you need coming or Cocoon are not coming back.
Brandon Jacobs, base auto.
Why isn't Simmons coming back?
Because
Base.
they're going defensive style and he doesn't. They also told I read an article this morning that said they
Orange of Matt Dominguez,
they're gonna limit
250.
his time. He's not playing on the penalty kill, and he won't be out there long.
Blue refractor art. We got bonus ball in this box here. Dylan Howard, blue refractor auto.
What do they do with Simmons?
150.
Why are they going defensive in general?
Honestly, it's the only way to win a cup now. I mean, the other way sells more tickets than one.
Base. Bryce Harper, chrome.
What are they planning on getting rid of Ovechkin someday?
Claudio Custodio, refractor,
He can't
500.
play that style all season.
I don't know if he could play.
Dante Bichette Jr.,
I'm not a Caps fan.
paper, orange, 250. Daniel Corsino, blue, 250. And last part of the stack.
He's boring.
Yeah,
He's not as much fun to watch.
Oh, I completely agree.
And base. All right, let's look at it again, guys. 2 big hits from the break. Josh, congratulations, buddy. Josh Bell, blue refractor autograph, and Yu Darvish.
No.
Pretty awesome. Congratulations, buddy. I'll be back to do the rest of your break after this.